Another pile. Look at that, there's a lawnmower right there. But more importantly, I don't know if you can see in the background, you can hear the alarms. Looks like something is burning, which is not good. You can hear the fire trucks going. Here we go. Got a lawnmower. That's an aluminium. It's a nice thick aluminium pot. We'll take that. There's a cord in there. Pots. Plenty of pots. Ryobi. Whippersnipper. There you go. Couple of chairs. That's about it. So this is a couple of things we can actually take from here, which is good. We don't have a trailer, so we'll just have to put it at the back of the ute. Man, that smoke is getting now bigger and bigger. It's not good. Alright, let's keep going. Oh no, so that's what it is. This is the house on fire. Hope everyone is alright. As you can see, the smoke still happening down there. It's not a good day for someone. I just hope they're alright and no one is hurt. That's the main thing. It's only a house. Brick can be brick and timber we can always remake. Hey, let's keep going with the cords. There we go. A couple of cords. What's this unit? Pioneer. Ooh. This is alright. They normally have really good boards. Some TVs. This Sony. Big TV as well, Pioneer. That TV will have really good boards, but we're not taking that. Some books. All sorts, really. These look like the school books. Ooh, someone finished school. Table. Haha, gaming PC. As these guys, board is there, and that looks like a card. GTX 780. Haha, we got a PC, a gaming one. This is a washing machine. Shame I didn't bring my tools. Could have had a look at the motor. Maybe we'll come back. Yeah, a few metal posts. They're pretty good. Wow, what a find. How's that? Okay, we're just having a bit of a pit stop. Just thought I'd come pick up my drill bit, because there's a couple of washing machines and we want to take those motors out. So let's reflect. We've got a couple of pots here. Got a steel ring. We have those hiking shoes in here. keen hiking shoes. We have some bits and pieces, some movies, some all sorts really. This cool what do you think of that find? Peace Stars. It's got a holder for your cans. That is a cool find. What else? Okay, so we found this compact clothesline. I'm not sure what's in it, if it's broken or not, but we'll have a look. We've got some cords. We found a Ryobi drill, which is slightly rusted, but what I'm thinking is, if this battery is any good. If the battery is good, because we use Ryobi as well. Microwave and the fine of our little run this morning. This PC, it's a gaming PC, and the card is somewhere underneath. Where is the card? Here it is. And the card, GeForce GTX 780. So it is dirty, needs a clean, but nonetheless, awesome find. Alright, so we're going to have a bit of a break and then we're going to go for another little drive down the street. Stay tuned, more coming. What? These are virtually brand new. Somebody's thrown these out. To Pro. What? Cannot believe that. That is crazy. Crazy. They're virtually brand new. Alright, let's take them. Someone's got there before us, hey? I wonder if that's stainless. Hey, there you go. Piece of stainless. Oh, that's quite heavy actually. Why didn't I just grab that? That's virtually free money. Huh. Silly people. There you go. There's always something. Well, that's a nice rope. Heavy duty rope. There you go. We have a vacuum and there's a cord. What? This is strange. Somebody threw out a stove. What that is. Some cords. What are these badminton rackets? Few cords, this cable, and some more cords here. What do we have here? There's a bike. Flowers on the other side. Travel bag. Some shoes. Women's shoes. Fake flowers. Wine bottles. Jacob's Creek. All empty. Plus fruit plate of some sort. Robot. How's that? The microwave. Alrighty, microwave is good. Definitely take that. All bits and pieces. Oh look, there's a shovel. Old shovel. Always something. Always. Another pile. Microwave. Yay. We like microwaves. Electric trimmer. Nice shelving unit. Okay. Old shoes. Yeah, we'll take that microwave. It seems to be microwave day today. It's alright. What do we have here? This is an aluminium, like an aluminium old keg. Hell yeah! We have some cords. Some paintings. This is a cool chair. Hey. Let's take a seat. Oh, this is really comfy. I'm gonna take that. Huh. What? Look at the board. That's a brand new board. It's crazy. Laptop. No way. What is this? Intel iCore 5 GeForce. What? Okay, maybe the screen is stuffed, but we are definitely taking that. Asus. Hell yeah. Got some Nike thongs. Wow, this is a nice pickup. Chains. How's that? Wow. Right, let's pick all this stuff up. Sort of lost for room, as you can see. Still a bit more room. It's been a very nice hour or so. As you can see, we've picked up quite a few bits and pieces. So let's keep going. So we've just arrived home, and it's been quite a successful second bit of an outing this morning. It is a weekend, and as you can see, there are a lot of things out there. So that's 2 runs now in the morning, and it's a Sunday. This chair is brand new Rams microwaves. It's probably 1, 2, 3. There's another microwave in the car. There's this aluminium keg, some stainless steel board, skater's board by the looks of it. We also picked up this ream and another microwave. Battery died just before we picked this up, and also we have that laptop. So overall, a really good morning. As you can see, beautiful day here in Melbourne. Alright scrappers, keep scrapping, there's plenty of things out there. Go get it, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye for now.